morning, crafty people. It's Rena, and I have a project share. I don't think that light's necessary. Okay, so what is it, you ask? It looks like a mini album. This is actually an altered book box. So I used the favorite collection of the day or the month or whatever, but everyone seems to love this paper collection. So let me turn that light back on and see if that helps. Don't like it. Okay, so let me go over the box. This was a box I picked up at Tuesday morning over a year ago, and it looks very much like a box. I mean, a book. It's got those great lines in it. It's gold in color, and I just adhered the paper. I used some jute burlap trims, and on the front I recently picked up this gorgeous Frank Garcia Prima resin frame, and I absolutely love it. All I did was I painted it gold, and then I used actually I didn't use a baby wipe, I used a disinfectant wipe, and I wiped the paint off, and I just loved how it turned out. So I knew I wanted this to be my sentiment, make a wish upon a starfish, and I added the starfish and the shells and the turtle while the glossy accents was drying. And so they are permanently on the sentiment now. I layered a bunch of shells and some flowers. And I really, because I love the mermaids, I wanted to put the mermaid on there. She's really loose. I could take her off. If somebody did not want the mermaid on this, she could come off and you could have it without the mermaid. So it's how it looks. For some reason, it doesn't close exactly all the way. I mean, it obviously, you can see it closes pretty good, but it might be because there's a mini album inside. Did I fool you? All right, it fits really snugly in here, and I'm going to be honest with you right now. It wasn't until I added this piece that there was an issue with it just easily sliding in and out. So this can be removed. This piece here, easily removed. And then it would slide much better in and out of the box. And the book, it closes really nicely. So I mean, it's not even necessary to have this. I was just worried it wouldn't close nicely. All right, let's go inside, because I'm going to tell you what, I just realized I didn't put paper, but I will. I'll put paper right here, no problem. As you're looking at this book and this book box, I want to say that this two-piece set is available for sale. I'm offering it to you guys before I list it on eBay. So if you're interested, contact me and we'll discuss it. All right. So this is a huge 7.5 inch. Let me tell you, the book is 5.5 by 7.5. This is an envelope. And I put one of the the blue starfish, and some jute trim there. And then there is a pull out. I'm not going to pull the whole thing out, but it pulls out. And that's basically, I mean, it's snug in there, but you could See, it slides in and out real easy if you kind of squeeze that envelope. But that was meant like a journaling card, a large journaling card. Okay, so this book, it doesn't have a lot of embellishments in it, but it has a lot of flips and folds. So let's go. Our first one opens up like that. And you could even do more journaling here. Put a nice photo there. You could crop 2 photos and put there. So then this opens this way. And then this opens that way. So lots of room for photos. And everything's magnetized, so you can see how that holds shut. So on this page, make a wish upon a starfish. And then this opens up like a photo booklet. I did not add any photo mats underneath here, simply because I was worried about the book getting too thick to fit in the box. But there are little pockets behind each one of these. Let's see, is there a pocket in here? Yep, I made a pocket in that one too. So lots of pockets to tuck extra important things. All right, let's go to this page first, because you're probably like, where's the paper? I did not put paper on here because once the photos are on here, you're just going to have your craft border. You'll have to crop your photos for that. But if I put paper, it was going to be too thick and the book wouldn't close. So I fussy cut some images, clustered them on there. And then your waterfall is like that. So photos on each side of the waterfall. On this side, we've got the sentiment that says salt in the air, sand in my hair. And I had to put this trim on here. And the funny story is the magnets are so strong that they were, when I closed the book, they were holding this page and this page together. So I had to put the braided trim to keep that from happening. So you open it up and there's a panel up above. And then this panel folds down. And on that bottom panel, I fussy cut one of these from the collection. So this is a sentiment area. And then this opens up again. And there's a 5x7 and another 5x7 spot. So quite a bit of room in here. I apologize, it's kind of hard to show. All right, this page is a single pocket page, or a double pocket, but I mean, it's just, there's no flips and folds. I've got 2 craft 4x6 photo mats there. There is one in the front pocket. And look at these. Look at these great journaling tags. Fussy cut from the collection. This does not want to pull out. There we go. So, you know, just plain photo mats. Once you put your pictures on, you'll have that slight craft border on them. And these are great places for journaling. And then in the front here, we have just a 2-pocket accordion fold pocket with these 2 little tags. And those can either be for a cropped photo on the front and some journaling on the back. Now, like I said, the book was getting really thick with all the flips and folds. So I just made a page where a photo, you know, one photo, like a 5x7 or even a 4x6 this way with some of the paper showing. So I left that blank, and I had to because the book wouldn't fit in there if I continued making so many flips and folds. So again, on this page, I have the Make a Wish Upon a Starfish, and we have this booklet that opens up. And under here again is a nifty little pocket to tuck, you know, movie tickets or receipts or things that, you know, help you remember whatever it was that you did. And these are, I picked these up at Joann's. These little, what do you call these? They're just like little card frames. They're craft, and I don't know, maybe 20 of them came in a pack for $1.50. So again, we have another one of the envelopes. Folds out like that, and then it folds over like this, and we have this, and then room for a large photo here. So that's how it looks, and it closes really nicely. Like I said, this could easily, it could, you know, I could cut it off for you, or you can cut it off once you get it, you receive it. It is magnetized and holds the book closed. I obviously could not embellish the front of the book because it wouldn't fit in the box. I'm actually worried about putting paper here, but let me see what I can do. So anyway, let me know if you would be interested in this set, the book box and the mini album. And there's nobody that says that you have to store the mini in the box. The box could be a trinket box and the album could be separate. So let me know. Like I said, they are a set, so they are going to be sold together. And I'd love for you to have it. So send me an email. It's going to be in the description box down below. Thanks for watching. I will link the paper as well, so I know you guys will want it. And happy scrappy day.